Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Ben. This is Alex with me. We came to Meteor headquarters this weekend, and we entered the hackathon, and we are going to show you flying a drone. All right. So we had a team of 4, and we built this project in 24 hours. So if you guys would all like to fly the drone, please go to meteorfliesdrone.com on your laptop, or .meteor.com. Everybody get that down? I'll leave it up there for a second longer. All right. Now, it's going to be a little bit tricky because I'm going to have to stand behind the drone in order to pilot it safely while you guys pilot it unsafely.
All right, so I'll quickly explain the 2 modes of control we have here. The first one is known as democracy, and if you're familiar with Twitch Plays Pokemon, this should be easy to get. So every 5 seconds, it chooses the highest voted command, and then runs that for 1 second. And you should see that running in a little bit.
We got to connect to the drone here. There we go. All right, I'm going to stand. If you scoot back a little bit here.
It's dangerous stuff.
Super dangerous.
I trust democracy.
All right.
Yeah, democracy's pretty trustworthy.
All right, everybody, ready? Here we go. Come on. Okay,
right.
so we got to get some altitude here. Now, everybody, start voting. Click as much as you got. Click, 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 click.
All right, so we got forward,
Go, go,
command,
go.
forward,
I'll get it back.
all that.
All right, I'm going to get it back in the center of the room. Okay. Start voting.
Okay, so in a little bit we're gonna switch over to our next mode, which is known as anarchy, for those of you familiar with Twitch Plays Pokemon. And that means every command that people input is processed in a queue. Not all at the same time, but you know, just kind of sequentially.
Are we ready for democracy?
For chaos?
Anarchy.
Or anarchy, whatever it's called? I wrote it, but I forgot what it's called. All right, here we go.
All right, switching over.
Anarchy.
And commands are coming very fast. That's trying its hardest. You can just imagine the chaos of like trying to progress the drone to a common point with like all these people controlling at the same time.
Save your papers.
Oh no, it's heading straight for the camera. Oh no. Oh no, what are we going to do?
Are you counter-controlling it, or you then just leave it on?
Both, because we don't want to crash into anything dangerous. So I do have the master control, yes. Okay, is that enough? Everybody have enough, or you want some more? All right.
All right, let's have a round of applause. Questions for Alex and Ben?
Oh, we're actually not done yet. We got some more to show you guys. We got to talk about all the awesome architecture going on here.
All right, well, you should submit a talk for Next Step Shop.
Okay, any questions?
Any questions, for example, about architecture?
How are you interfacing the Meteor server to the controller?
So the libraries that we use were ARDrone and PubNub. Oh, sorry. The question was, how are we interfacing the drone to the website? So these are the libraries that we're using, which is Node ARDrone and PubNub. And here's a picture of the architecture drawn out beautifully. Basically, the vertical arrows between the browser and Meteor.com are just normal Meteor.calls. The problem with the drone is that it has its own access point. So the laptop has to connect to the access point that's on the drone, which means you have to either have 2 network cards or an alternative way of getting internet. So in this case, I've used my Apple iPhone with my Apple laptop, and I'm doing a Bluetooth hotspot. So my phone is connected to my laptop is connected to the phone to the internet, and that's how I get pubnub commands coming down with a separate instance of the Meteor app running on my laptop. And then my laptop also connects to the access point of the drone, and that is how the pubnub messages come through. And so what we did was basically the app is almost identical, except for we set a collection to tell it whether it's on the cloud or whether it's on the laptop. And I had a group of developers that were working on the democracy, the voting, on all that stuff during the hackathon. And I basically just rewired Meteor.call. So they didn't matter. They Meteor called to say drone left, drone right, and it didn't matter if it was on the cloud or if it was on the laptop, because if it was on the cloud, it'd be a pubnub message, and if it was on the laptop, it would just send out directly. So we do actually have 2 instances of Meteor running for this. Any other questions?
All right, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Great work.